Why don't we ever tell secrets around our gadgets? Because they might crack under pressure. A bit of tech humor to kick things off. Welcome back, folks, to the channel. In our previous video, we looked at 10 exciting business opportunities. In this video, we will look into the steps and processes of starting business number 7, tech repair and support business. You see, even our devices aren't immune to a little stress now and then. But that's where the opportunity lies. It's in these cracks, these hiccups, these little machine meltdowns that we find our niche. A world filled with gadgets is a world filled with potential repairs. Now that we've lightened up the mood, let's dive into our main topic for today, starting a tech repair business. Every great venture begins with an idea. And in the realm of tech repair, that idea can take a myriad of forms. You could be contemplating a general tech repair shop, a haven for all things electronic, a one-stop solution for every tech hiccup. Or perhaps your vision leans towards specialization. You might be considering a niche in mobile phone repairs, or maybe you're drawn to the intricate world of computer repairs. Gaming consoles with their high demand and complex systems could also be an attractive focus. The key here is clarity. Your idea should be crystal clear, like a beacon guiding your entrepreneurial journey. It should be specific enough to give direction, yet flexible enough to adapt to industry shifts. This clarity becomes your roadmap, helping you channel your efforts and resources effectively. It becomes the foundation upon which you build your strategies, your services, and ultimately, your success. Having a clear idea will help you focus your efforts and resources effectively. Knowledge is power, and in business, knowledge about your market is key. So let's talk market research. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial step in understanding the demand for tech repair services in your area. It's about identifying who needs your services and how often. Is it the small businesses with office equipment or the students with their laptops and mobile devices? Perhaps it's the retirees needing help with their home tech. The same research also helps you size up your competition. Who else is offering tech repair services? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How can you differentiate your offerings to stand out? Market research isn't just about data collection. It's about making sense of that data and using it to shape your business strategy. Remember, understanding your market isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Understanding your market will give you a competitive edge and help you make informed business decisions. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Indeed, the cornerstone of any successful venture is a solid business plan. Think of it as your business's compass, guiding you towards your goals, helping you navigate the complexities of the market and ensuring you stay on the right track. A business plan is more than just a document. It's a reflection of your vision. It's where you articulate your business goals, clarify your target market, and define your unique selling proposition. It's where you sketch out your marketing and sales strategy, detailing how you'll attract and retain customers. And let's not forget about financial projections. These are your estimates of future revenues, expenses, and profits. They're crucial for attracting investors, obtaining loans, and measuring your business's progress over time. Remember, your business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that evolves as your business grows and changes. A well-thought-out business plan is your roadmap to success. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of starting a business. Diving headfirst into the world of entrepreneurship is not without its hurdles. One of the first steps to setting up your tech repair business is registering it. This isn't just about getting a catchy name, but also about establishing a legal identity. You'll want to explore options like sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or corporation to see which best suits your needs. Next, you'll need to obtain necessary licenses and permits. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's all about keeping you and your business on the right side of the law. The requirements vary depending on your location, so it's imperative to do thorough research or even seek legal counsel. This could range from a basic business license to specific permits for handling electronic waste. Once you've squared away the legalities, it's time to focus on insurance. In a business where you're dealing with other people's valuable devices, it's wise to protect yourself against potential claims. You should consider liability insurance to cover any damages that might occur to a client's device while in your care. Now, let's talk about location. If you're planning to have a physical storefront, it's all about location, location, location. You'll want a place that's easily accessible, has good visibility, and is in a high traffic area. However, remember that a good location often comes with a higher rent, so balance this against your budget. Finally, you can't run a tech repair business without the right tools and equipment. This might seem like a significant upfront cost, but consider it an investment in your business's future. From basic tools like screwdrivers and pliers to advanced diagnostic equipment, ensure you have everything you need to offer top-notch service. In summary, the legal and logistical aspects of starting a tech repair business might seem intimidating, but they are crucial. By registering your business, getting the necessary licenses and insurance, finding the right location, and procuring the necessary tools, you're laying a solid foundation for your business's success. Taking care of these aspects will ensure your business operates smoothly and legally. You've set up your business, now it's time to attract customers. Marketing, it's the lifeblood of any business, and yours is no exception. It's not enough to simply open shop and hope people will come. You need to actively promote your services, and the good news is, there are countless ways to do it. Start with a solid online presence, a user-friendly website, engaging social media platforms, and don't forget about search engine optimization. These are all crucial for reaching potential customers in the digital age, but don't overlook the power of traditional marketing methods. Flyers, local newspaper ads, and networking events can be equally effective, especially in reaching the local community. Now let's talk about customer service. Providing top-notch service is not just about fixing a tech issue. It's about creating a positive and memorable experience for your customers. It's about listening, understanding their concerns, and then delivering solutions that not only meet, but exceed their expectations. A satisfied customer won't just come back, they'll also spread the word. They'll become your brand ambassadors, recommending your services to friends, family, and colleagues. That's why it's essential to invest in training your staff to deliver excellent service and to encourage feedback from customers to continually improve. Remember, a happy customer is the best marketing tool. Now, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We kicked off with the importance of having a crystal clear idea. Remember, a clear vision is the foundation upon which you'll build your tech repair and support business. We then moved on to market research, which is essential for understanding your target audience, competitors, and the overall industry landscape. Next, we delved into the creation of a robust business plan, your roadmap to success. This plan will guide your decisions and keep you focused on your goals. We followed this with a discussion on legalities and logistics. These are crucial to ensure your business operates within the law and runs smoothly on a day-to-day basis. Then we covered marketing and customer service. These two elements are the lifeblood of your business. They help attract customers and keep them coming back for more. And that's how you start a tech repair business. Good luck on your journey. Thanks for joining us today. In our next video, we will take a closer look at another promising venture, business number 8, personal finance and investment consulting business. If that sounds exciting to you, stay tuned to the channel.